Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to get Sangria art. We'll dive right into a super easy method for creating beautiful, vibrant Sangria art that anyone can do. You don't need to be an experienced artist. Just follow along with our straightforward instructions. We'll cover everything from gathering your simple materials to the final touches, ensuring you achieve fantastic results every time. Get ready to unleash your inner artist. To begin your Sangria art journey, you'll need just a few key items. First, grab a clear glass or pitcher. This will be your canvas. Next, select a vibrant assortment of fruits like sliced oranges, lemons, and a handful of colorful berries. These will provide the beautiful visual layers. Choose your favorite red wine or a non-alcoholic alternative. And finally, have a long spoon ready for careful arrangement. Now for the fun part, layering your Sangria art. Start by gently placing a selection of your colorful fruits into the bottom of your clear glass. Next, slowly and steadily pour your chosen liquid base over the fruit, filling the glass approximately 2/3 full. Then, artfully arrange more fruit on top, aiming for distinct, eye-catching layers. Finally, give it a very gentle stir with your long spoon to settle everything without completely mixing your beautiful design. To truly perfect your Sangria art, don't be afraid to experiment. Try various fruit combinations, perhaps adding kiwi or grapes for new colors. A sprig of fresh mint or rosemary can also add a delightful aromatic and visual element. For the best experience, chill your Sangria art for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld and the visual elements to settle beautifully. Enjoy your stunning, handcrafted beverage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.